Do you know the signs of high blood sugar? It's more than just a health curiosity. It's a matter of critical importance. Our bodies are complex systems, and elevated blood sugar, known as hyperglycemia, can pose serious health risks. It is especially pertinent for those with diabetes. Being aware of the symptoms can make all the difference in management and potentially even prevention. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 20 signs that your blood sugar might be higher than normal. The first sign of high blood sugar is frequent urination. Our bodies are finely tuned machines, and when our blood sugar levels get too high, our kidneys kick into overdrive to filter out the excess glucose. The result? You might notice you're making more trips to the bathroom than usual. Next, we have increased thirst. This goes hand in hand with frequent urination. As your kidneys work overtime to remove the excess sugar from your blood, they pull water from your tissues to help them do their job. This leaves you feeling parched and reaching for a glass of water more often. The third sign is a dry mouth. It's another side effect of dehydration caused by the body's attempt to regulate blood sugar levels. As you lose more water due to frequent urination, your mouth may feel dry and you might experience a persistent thirst that just doesn't seem to be quenched, no matter how much water you drink. Moving on to the fourth sign, fatigue. When your blood sugar levels are high, your body struggles to convert glucose into energy. This means your cells aren't getting the fuel they need to function optimally. The result? You feel tired and drained, even after a good night's sleep. Lastly, we come to the fifth sign, blurry vision. When blood sugar levels rise, it can cause the lens in your eyes to swell, changing their shape and causing your vision to blur. It's a temporary effect, but it's a clear indication that your blood sugar could be too high. In essence, these 5 signs, frequent urination, increased thirst, dry mouth, fatigue, and blurry vision, are your body's way of waving a red flag, signaling that your blood sugar levels might be out of balance. It's crucial to listen to these signs and seek medical advice if they persist. But these are just the first 5 signs. There are plenty more to be aware of. Another sign to look out for is slow healing of wounds. When your blood sugar is high, your body's ability to heal wounds, cuts, and bruises can be significantly reduced. This impairment comes from the blood vessels being damaged by the excess sugar, which in turn affects your circulation. As a result, the necessary nutrients and oxygen needed for wound healing may not reach the affected areas in a timely manner. Next on the list is frequent infections. Elevated blood sugar levels can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. These can range from urinary tract infections to yeast infections, and even skin infections. The reason behind this is that high levels of sugar can create a conducive environment for bacteria and yeast to thrive, hence increasing your risk of infection. The third sign is increased hunger. Despite having high blood sugar levels, your cells may not receive adequate glucose for energy production. This can lead to feelings of constant hunger, as your body is not getting the energy it needs from the glucose in your bloodstream. It's like having a fuel tank full of petrol, but the car engine can't use it to run. Fourthly, we have unexplained weight loss. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a common sign of high blood sugar. When your body can't get energy from glucose due to insulin resistance or lack of insulin, it starts burning fat and muscle for energy instead. This can lead to unexpected and unexplained weight loss, despite increased eating. Lastly, we have headaches. When your blood sugar levels are high, the body tries to get rid of the excess glucose through urine. This diuretic effect can lead to dehydration, which is a common cause of headaches. Additionally, fluctuating blood sugar levels can cause blood vessels in the brain to constrict and dilate, triggering headaches and even migraines. We have now covered half of the signs. Let's move on to the next 5. Nausea and vomiting can also be a sign of high blood sugar. When your blood sugar levels soar, your body can react in various ways. One such reaction can be gastrointestinal disturbances, including nausea and vomiting. This is your body's natural response to try and eliminate the excess glucose in your bloodstream. Coming in at number 12 on our list is weakness and shaking. This is a sign of hypoglycemia, which can occur as your body tries to lower high blood sugar levels. The sudden drop can cause you to feel weak, shaky, and even experience tremors. It's like your body is on a roller coaster of highs and lows, and this can leave you feeling quite unsettled. The 13th sign of high blood sugar is difficulty concentrating. This is because high blood sugar levels can affect your cognitive function. It can feel as though you're in a mental fog, where focusing on tasks or making decisions becomes a real challenge. It's as though the excess sugar is clogging up the works and slowing things down. Next up, we have numbness or tingling, particularly in the hands and feet. This is a result of prolonged high blood sugar levels, which can damage your nerves. This damage can manifest as a numb, tingling, or even burning sensation. It's your body's way of signaling that something isn't quite right. Lastly, for this segment, we have irritability. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels can affect your mood, leading to irritability, mood swings, and even anxiety. It's as though the inconsistency in your blood sugar levels is causing an inconsistency in your mood. All these signs are your body's way of telling you that your blood sugar levels might be higher than they should be. It's crucial to listen to these signs and take them seriously. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, especially if you have a history of high blood sugar or diabetes, it's essential to monitor your glucose levels closely. Now we are down to the last 5 signs. Let's continue. A fruity breath odor could be a sign of severe hyperglycemia. This is not your typical morning breath. In the context of high blood sugar, a fruity or acetone-like odor on the breath can indicate the body is producing ketones. This is a response to the body burning fat for energy because it can't effectively use the glucose in your bloodstream. It's a serious sign that needs immediate medical attention, particularly in people with diabetes. From your breath, we move on to your sight. Vision changes, such as seeing floaters or experiencing tunnel vision, can be another sign of high blood sugar. This happens because elevated glucose levels can cause changes in the shape of the eye's lens, altering your vision. It's important to note, though, that these changes are often temporary and usually improve as blood sugar levels are brought under control. Feeling dizzy? Changes in blood sugar levels can affect blood pressure and circulation, leading to feelings of dizziness or lightheadedness. This can be especially noticeable when standing up too quickly or after prolonged periods of sitting. It's another sign that your body is struggling to manage its glucose levels and is working overtime to try to restore balance. Confusion or disorientation can also be indicative of severe hyperglycemia. High blood sugar levels can affect cognitive function, making it difficult to concentrate, and even leading to confusion and, in extreme cases, loss of consciousness. This is a medical emergency and requires immediate attention. Finally, an increased heart rate, or palpitations, could be a signal that your blood sugar is too high. This occurs because high blood sugar levels can put stress on the cardiovascular system. Your heart may beat faster in an effort to circulate blood and oxygen more effectively throughout the body. And those are the 20 signs of high blood sugar. But what does this mean for you? Understanding these signs is crucial, especially for those with diabetes or a history of high blood sugar. If you recognize any of these symptoms, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar closely and seek medical attention if necessary. Uncontrolled high blood sugar can lead to serious complications, so don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Recognizing these signs is crucial for maintaining your health. As we've journeyed through the labyrinth of hyperglycemia, we've unraveled 20 telltale signs of elevated blood sugar levels. From physical manifestations such as frequent urination, increased thirst, and unexplained weight loss to psychological indicators like difficulty concentrating and irritability, these symptoms serve as critical alarm bells. When your body whispers through signs like blurry vision or dry mouth, it's crucial to listen. When it shouts through symptoms like frequent infections or slow healing of wounds, it's important not to ignore. Our bodies are complex machines capable of incredible feats, but they require regular maintenance and attention. Remember, high blood sugar levels do not discriminate. It can affect anyone at any time. If you're experiencing any of these signs, particularly if you have a history of diabetes or high blood sugar, it's crucial to monitor your levels closely. In the face of such symptoms, seeking medical attention is not an overreaction. It's an act of self-care. Uncontrolled high blood sugar can lead to serious complications like diabetic ketoacidosis and hyperosmolar or hyperglycemic state, conditions that require immediate medical intervention. Knowledge is power, and understanding these symptoms is your first line of defense against the potential perils of hyperglycemia. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take care of your body.